AI can analyze data, predict trends, and even write emails. But can it understand how you feel? Absolutely not.
Let's be real. Has your computer ever noticed you're stressed and offered you a hug? I guess not.
That's where emotional intelligence comes in. In leadership, emotional intelligence means recognizing emotions in yourself and others and using that awareness to guide decisions. It's what makes teams stronger, workplaces healthier, and leaders more human.
Picture this. Two managers, one is brilliant with strategy but ignores people's feelings. The other one notices when someone's struggling, listens, and supports them. Who would you rather follow? Exactly.
So while AI handles the numbers, emotional intelligence handles the people. And that's the skill no machine can ever replace. The reason we must start building emotional intelligence from childhood is that it shapes empathy, resilience, and connection early on. Qualities that become the foundation for stronger leaders and healthier societies in the future.
Because in the end, data may guide decisions, but emotions guide people, and people build the world.